Jeff Ace Detailing. Today we have a triple axle 44-foot toy hauler fifth wheel, severely oxidized. It's important to have a paint gloss meter. We're going to take measurements to see how severely oxidized this is. That way we can tell how many compounding steps, polish steps, and then eventually do the ceramic coating. So we're going to do a measurement on this fiberglass gel coat. We've got a reading of 6.8 gloss meters. So that's telling me it's severely oxidized. We're going to have to do multiple compounding stages, polishing stages, probably be a 2 or 3 day job before we can even apply the ceramic coating. So we've done a test spot, multiple compounding stages and polishing stages here. We're going to take a gloss meter reading. We're at 86.9. The gloss meter needs to be at 85 or above all the way around before we apply the ceramic coating. Brand new gel coat is gloss meter reading of 90. So you can get it 85 or above, you're in good shape. So we've got the whole side of this Fusion toy hauler compounded and polished. With the gloss meter, we've achieved over 85 in gloss meter reading, so we know we're ready to apply the ceramic. Should be locked in for a long time. On the 40-foot triple axle Fusion toy hauler, lots of compounding, lots of polishing, lots of ceramic coating. Just wanted to mention, after several compounding stages, polishing stages, and then finally applying the ceramic coating, there is no fast way to restore these coaches. There's nothing you're going to spray on the paint that's going to miraculously just dissipate all the oxidation. You got to go through the motions. You got to polish through that dead gel coat, get underneath all that, changing multiple pads, multiple stages. We've probably gone through about 25 different polishing pads. So plan on putting in some work if you want to try and restore a 40-footer.